With just simple materials, we can build an ebb and flow hydroponic system using recycled bottles. It's low cost, easy to make, and perfect for growing fresh vegetables at home. When the pump turns on, the nutrient solution flows through the pipes and rises into the bottles, soaking the Cocopeat. Once the water reaches the height of the vertical T-pipe, it automatically drains back into the bucket. This keeps the water level stable and prevents overflow. You can add a timer to control how long the nutrient water floods the media. This allows the plant roots to get both oxygen and nutrients alternately. That's why it's called the ebb and flow system. This recycled bottle ebb and flow system is perfect for anyone who wants to grow vegetables at home. Simple, efficient, and eco-friendly. Give it a try and enjoy harvesting your own fresh greens. The tools and materials you'll need are a 1-inch PVC pipe to channel the nutrient water, recycled bottles as the growing pots, Cocopeat as the growing medium, a used bucket for the nutrient tank, and a small pump to lift the nutrient solution to the bottles. If you love creative hydroponic ideas like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hydroponic DIY projects.